Ano yung sinasabi niya?
Andrew.
Okay. Oh, sige. Ito na. 6 seconds pagka-bigay ng bola sa kakampi. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shot clock, baby! Buzzer! Hey, what you got, man? At the buzzer, man! Talo, wala sila, man! Galit nila, pare! Nanalo sa ball! Umaw! Sakto! Buzzer si Tito Rodel, oh! Record mo si Tito Rodel. Interview mo, record mo. Ganda lang mo. Ha? Ganda lang mo. Record mo Tito Rodel. Interview Rodel. Okay. Okay, game winner, man. What do you say about that? What do you say about the game winner?
It was just lucky.
What?
Lucky.
They know that the wolves hunt in packs.
We were just really aggressive in the beginning till the end. Our defense is good. Everybody contributed. That's a good thing.